Hi everyone, it's Ashton. In this quick Canvas tutorial, I'll show you how to set up your gradebook using assignment groups and link assignments for automatic grading. From your course navigation, click Assignments. Here you'll organize assessments. Click the plus group button to create categories like discussions, quizzes, or projects. You can also weigh final grades by percentage. Next, click Plus Assignment, name it, set points, and choose the submission type. Make sure to assign the new task to one of the groups you created. This ensures it calculates correctly in the gradebook. Head over to your gradebook tab to confirm your structure, and everything should be lined up under the correct categories. And that's your gradebook in Canvas.